Welcome to Storlytics. In this Getting Started guide, we will walk you through the Storlytics software user interface and show you how you can utilize Storlytics to design and optimize your energy storage projects. Once you have activated the Storlytics license and launched the program, this application window will appear. In the current version of Storlytics, the application window size is fixed and cannot be maximized. Now, for some high DPI screens, the application window might appear smaller. To fix the window size, you will need to override the high DPI scaling settings for the Storlytics application. You can do that by searching Storlytics in the search bar, then select Storlytics Options, navigate to Storlytics in a install directory, select the Storlytics program, select Options, navigate to Properties. Under Properties, select Compatibility. Under Compatibility, select Change High DPI Settings. Make sure you check the checkbox for Override High DPI Scaling Behavior and select System from the drop-down menu. Once you apply your changes, close Storlytics and open it again. That should resolve the window size issue for your setup. If you want to adjust the window size further, you can do that by changing the display resolution. You can change the display resolution by choosing Options from the desktop, selecting Display Settings, navigate to Display Resolution, and select the resolution that makes the Storlytics window size comfortable for your setup. Once you are comfortable with the window size, get back to the Storlytics software. This is the default view of the Storlytics software. On the top menu bar, it has 4 options. The file options allows you to open or save project files. The About option gives you information about the Storlytics software. So it has the version number, license type, expiration date, and it allows you to check for updates. Several help resources are available under the help option. If you select help documentation, it will open the Storlytics help file in the default PDF application. And the help file provides details about all the different modules. You can access Storlytics tutorials by clicking the tutorial videos option, and it will take you to the Storlytics YouTube channel. You can follow those tutorial videos to learn more about the Storlytics software. And if you select Getting Started video, it will take you to this Get Started video. Several examples are provided to help you get started with Storlytics, and those examples can be accessible through the example menu under the top menu bar. So if you click on any of these examples, for this case, if we click on the best as non-R alternative, it will open that example project file in Storlytics, and it will also open the corresponding PDF in your default PDF application. This example PDF provides detailed overview of the example and how you can model that particular example in Storlytics in this step-by-step design guide. This will show you how to populate all the parameters in Storlytics for different modules, and it will also show you how you can run your example project and generate report and also interpret the results of the simulation. This PDF guide is very detailed and comprehensive. Once you load an example, you can run the example by clicking the Run button. You can cancel a simulation by clicking the Abort Simulation anytime if you want to. Simulation time varies depending on processing power available on your system. Once you see the message that simulation has completed successfully in the status log, you will see the Generate Report, Generate CSVs, and Plot Viewer button will become enabled. You can click the Generate Report to automatically generate the PDF report for that particular simulation, and the report provides you all the details about the simulation. You can also access all the detailed parameter of simulation in CSV file format. You can click the Gen CSVs and it will generate the output CSVs. You can access the output CSVs by navigating to the folder where the files are saved. You can get the directory from the status log. So the output CSVs are going to be saved in the Storlytics user files. And then finally, you can click the Plot Viewer to inspect different simulation trends. That allows you to compare different simulation trends and helps you gain more better understanding about the simulation. Now that you are familiar with the Storlytics user interface, let's look at the Storlytics user files. So when you install Storlytics software, it automatically creates a Storlytics user files under your documents folder. And this is the structure of your Storlytics user files. The component models stores all the batteries, enclosure, and inverter models that comes with Storlytics, and any new models that you create will be saved in this. The financial model required to run the cost calculations are located in the financial models folder. Storlytics has its own proprietary financial model file format in .fin. You can create your own .fin file or modify the existing ones through the Storlytics interface. Input profiles stores all the input profiles that you need for your simulations that requires augmentation schedules, load profiles, POI profiles, PV profiles, TMI3 profiles, and wind profiles. All the profiles needs to be in a certain specific format. Refer to the Storlytics help documentation for the right format, and also the tutorial videos on how to create specific files. The output profiles is where all the output of the simulations CSVs will be located. You can access them by navigating to this folder. The projects are located in the projects folder, and then the reports are located in the reports folder. The PSM reports are located under DSM, and the PPC reports are located under NVM. Now that you are completely familiar with the Storlytics user interface, you are ready to build your own energy storage projects. You can create your own project file by modifying the existing examples and save them with a new name, or you can create a completely new file and start making changes to it, and then you can eventually save it. You can open the project files by clicking open from the file menu options, and all the projects are located in the projects. You can open any of those projects. Now you are ready to explore the true power of Storlytics and design energy storage projects easily and accurately. For more information, reach out to support@storlytics.net and follow our YouTube channel and LinkedIn page. Thank you.